In a shocking development, a top Hamas official named Saleh Aruri has been reportedly killed in an explosion in a southern Beirut suburb. The incident has already sparked a flurry of reactions from various factions in the region. Lebanon's Hezbollah group has attributed the explosion to an Israeli drone strike. According to Lebanon's state-run national news agency, the blast claimed the lives of 4 people and targeted the Hamas office in the Dahiyeh neighborhood. Saleh Aruri, a founding member of Hamas's military wing and the head of the group's presence in the West Bank, had been previously threatened by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu even before the recent Israel-Hamas war, which began on October 7th. Hamas, in response to the killing of Saleh Aruri, has issued a strong statement. The group vowed that this act would not undermine the continued resistance in Gaza. Senior Hamas official Izzat al-Rishq labelled the incident a cowardly assassination. He emphasized the failure of the enemy to achieve its goals in the Gaza Strip. Meanwhile, Hezbollah leader Syed Hassan Nasrallah has pledged retaliation against any Israeli targeting of Palestinian officials in Lebanon. Lebanon's caretaker Prime Minister Najib Mikati condemned the explosion as a new Israeli crime. He stated that it was an attempt to pull Lebanon into war. Mark Regev, an advisor to Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, denied Israeli responsibility for the attack. He emphasized that whoever carried it out did a surgical strike against the Hamas leadership. Mark Regev said, and I quote, "This is not an attack on the Lebanese state. It was a targeted operation against the Hamas leadership." As tensions escalate in the region, videos circulating on social media reveal extensive damage and fire following the explosion. This incident comes amid more than 2 months of heavy exchanges of fire between Israel and Hezbollah along Lebanon's southern border. According to Lebanon's state news agency, the drone strike on the Hamas office in Dahiyeh resulted in a total of 6 casualties. Meanwhile, Hezbollah claims that Israeli airstrikes have killed over 100 of its fighters and nearly 24 civilians. This latest incident adds another layer of complexity to the already volatile situation in the Middle East.
ضربوا هلا يمكن ضربوا يمكن ضربوا هلا يمكن ضربوا هلا هيدي هلا